Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between Casaos and Umbrel, two popular platforms in the home server space. Which home server platform is the best in 2025? Let's dive in. Make sure to watch it in full to avoid missing any critical insights. Let's start with Casaos. Casaos is designed for simplicity. It offers a sleek and beginner-friendly interface, making it super easy to set up your own personal cloud, media server, or self-hosted apps. With one-click app installs and great file management tools, it's a go-to choice for people who want a plug-and-play experience. Now on to Umbrel. Umbrel is known for its strong privacy-first focus and deep integration with Bitcoin and Lightning Network nodes. But beyond crypto, it's also a powerful home server platform. With a growing app store and support for self-hosted tools like Nextcloud and Home Assistant, Umbrel offers serious functionality, especially for users who care about decentralization and ownership of their data. So which one's better? Casaos is ideal if you want a smooth general-purpose home server with zero complexity. Umbrel is great for privacy-focused users and those who want to host Bitcoin nodes or similar services. Bottom line, if ease of use and flexibility are what you're after, go with Casaos. But if your priority is privacy and decentralization, and you don't mind a bit of a learning curve, Umbrel could be your best pick. In the end, both are great. The right one depends on your personal goals and technical comfort level.